Over 60, 8 collagen foods to reduce leg swelling and support joints. Once you pass 60, many of my patients tell me the same things. Their legs often swell, their joints feel stiff, and sometimes there's a tingling sensation that just won't go away. These aren't just random aches and pains. These are warning signs from your body. They show you may be missing one of the key building blocks for healthy joints and connective tissue, collagen. The good news is, there are simple, collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, nourish your joints, and restore flexibility to your legs safely and effectively. The journey begins right at your kitchen table. 8 collagen-rich foods can ease swelling, strengthen your joints, and bring back lightness and vitality after 60. My name is Dr. Paul Harris, and today, I want to share this journey with you. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your legs steady. But after 60, the body produces up to 75% less collagen than it did in your younger years. What concerns me is that most older adults don't realize this, and even worse, many everyday foods can actually make the problem worse. The encouraging part is, by adding the right foods, you can stimulate your body to rebuild collagen and maintain long-term strength. Scientific research has shown that there are 8 natural foods capable of boosting collagen production, in some cases by more than 140%. The results are remarkable: less swelling, restored strength, and greater comfort within just a few weeks of consistency. And here's something interesting: one of these foods has been avoided by many people for years, yet it could be the fastest way to restore healthy legs and joints. I want to start with a food that's familiar, but often misunderstood: eggs, especially the yolk. For years, many of us heard that egg yolks were high in cholesterol and should be avoided. But recent science tells a very different story. Egg yolks contain glycine and proline, 2 amino acids essential for building and strengthening collagen fibers. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who ate whole eggs at least 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen levels in their blood compared to those who avoided yolks. The best way to enjoy eggs for collagen support is soft-boiled, poached, or gently fried, just cooked through, so the amino acids remain active. Overcooking reduces some of the benefits of glycine. I often advise my patients to pair eggs with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach or tomatoes, because vitamin C acts as a catalyst, helping your body use the protein in eggs more effectively to rebuild skin, joints, and muscles. Number 2, papaya. You may be used to enjoying papaya as a sweet dessert after meals, but few people realize this fruit hides a secret weapon for collagen renewal. Papaya contains a natural enzyme called papain. Think of it as a master key that breaks down complex proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb the amino acids needed to build collagen. A recent study on adults between 60 and 78 years old found that eating fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks increased skin elasticity by 33%. It also reduced wrinkles and eased discomfort in their legs. To get the most benefit from papaya, eat it ripe and fresh in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when its natural enzymes are most active. In contrast, canned or cooked papaya loses much of its papain and vitamin C, 2 key components that support digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost collagen production. Number 3, chicken skin. Many people peel off the skin from chicken because they're worrying about fat, but in reality, chicken skin is one of the most valuable sources of collagen for the body after 60. That soft layer is packed with type 1 collagen, the very same type that makes up the majority of our skin, tendons, and joints. I remember a study in Clinical Interventions in Aging. It followed adults over 65 who ate chicken skin 3 times a week. The results were surprising. After just 12 weeks, their type 1 collagen density increased by more than 30%, swelling in ankles and knees dropped significantly, and even their walking became noticeably steadier. One important note: avoid cooking methods that use very high heat, like deep frying, since these can create toxins and destroy collagen in the food. Instead, choose healthier methods such as soups or stews with the skin left on, allowing the collagen and nutrients to dissolve into the broth, where your body can absorb them best. Number 4. Sardines. One of the smallest but most powerful foods I recommend to my patients is sardines. What makes sardines unique is that we eat the whole fish, skin, bones, and connective tissue, all of which are loaded with type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is especially important for blood vessels, helping circulation reach the legs and feet, reducing swelling and tingling. A 2021 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate sardines 3 times per week improved peripheral circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% in just 10 weeks. When eating sardines, be sure to eat the skin and bones. That's where much of the natural collagen is found. You can enjoy them with salads, whole grain bread, pasta, or with a squeeze of lemon to freshen the taste. And whenever possible, choose sardines packed in olive oil instead of other oils, since olive oil helps preserve more of the nutrients. Number 5. Bone marrow. One food that many people think of as an old-fashioned luxury, but is actually a treasure for life after 60, is bone marrow. Inside beef or lamb bones lies a soft, rich marrow filled with type 1 and type 2 collagen, along with hyaluronic acid, a natural compound that keeps joints moving smoothly and skin plump with moisture. I recall a study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology which found that older adults who drank bone marrow broth 4 times a week for 8 weeks experienced a 40% reduction in leg swelling and more than a 30% improvement in joint flexibility. You can enjoy bone marrow in many ways: roasted and spread on bread, simmered in soups, or slow-cooked as bone broth for 12 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to extract collagen and minerals. Even drinking just half a cup a day can bring noticeable improvements in joint comfort and overall vitality. Number 6. Gelatin. Most people think of gelatin only as an ingredient for jellies or sweet desserts. But the truth is, gelatin is actually a cooked form of collagen, one that's extremely easy for older bodies to absorb. Gelatin delivers 3 of the most important amino acids for collagen building: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that adults over 60 who supplemented with 10 grams of gelatin daily for 8 weeks saw a 45% improvement in skin hydration, a 22% reduction in joint stiffness, and nearly a 40% increase in leg muscle strength. The easiest way to add gelatin is by mixing unflavored powder into warm water, tea, or coffee, or by making homemade fruit jelly. Just be sure to avoid industrial gelatin products full of artificial coloring and added sugar, as those won't support long-term health. 7. Animal liver, a food that many people hesitate to eat, but which is actually a powerhouse for collagen renewal, is animal liver, especially beef or free-range chicken liver. Liver is rich in vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, 4 essential factors your body needs to synthesize and activate collagen. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition reported something important. Adults over 60 who ate liver at least once a week had 143% higher collagen activity in their blood compared to those who didn't eat. To make it more enjoyable, try blending it into soups, mixing it with ground meat, or making a smooth pate to spread on whole grain bread with a touch of lemon for flavor. 8. Bone broth. And finally, at the very top of the list of collagen-restoring foods is bone broth, an ancient remedy whose value is now being confirmed by modern science. When you simmer beef or chicken bones for many hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar, something powerful happens. Collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid are released, creating a nutrient-rich broth that's easy for the body to absorb. A 2021 study in geriatric health and nutrition looked at adults over 60 who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily for 8 weeks. Their skin firmness improved by 52%, leg pain dropped by 34%, and mobility increased by nearly 50%. How to prepare it? Simmer beef or chicken bones gently with a little apple cider vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. Once cooled, the broth often thickens into a natural gelatin. You can reheat and sip it warm in the morning on an empty stomach, or use it as a base for soups and stews. If you're over 60 and looking for ways to improve your joint health and skin vitality, adding collagen-rich foods is one of the most important keys. The encouraging news is that all of these foods are simple, accessible, and easy to prepare. From everyday staples like eggs and papaya, to chicken skin, sardines, bone marrow, gelatin, liver, and especially bone broth. Each one delivers natural nutrients that help rebuild collagen, reduce swelling in your legs, restore joint flexibility, and keep your skin firm and healthy. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe so you can continue this journey with me and discover more valuable health tips for your golden years. And don't forget to leave a comment with your own experiences, press like, and share this with friends and family who could benefit too.